Fiesta time in Santa Lucia. Hey, today I'm going to give you a little tour of what we're doing today here in St. Lucia and give you an idea of the Fiesta. So all your family comes over and we eat, drink. And that's the whole day, so let's have a walk around. I got the extra table out here. Got the nephew in here, he's chilling in the spare bedroom. I don't know why he's laying on the floor, there's a perfectly good bed there. And you got Dale in here, he's playing the drums. Hit it! He's playing my drum set, having fun. It's early in the morning. I'll give you a little tour of the house. Yeah, we got the Christmas tree up for sure. And let's go out here on the front porch. I'll show you how I got it all set up. Let me put on my chanillas. Hold on a minute. Guys. My chanillas, where are they? My chanillas. My chanillas. Alright, so I got my little table out here and chimney full of, what's in here? Ice, and down there real low is some Red Horse. I think you might be able to pick one of them out. And water and Sprite, everything. There's my little old car. I washed it yesterday so it wouldn't look bad today. And got a little table set up out here too. We got a pretty big amount of family come by. That's out of the back of the CRV. And it's sunny, beautiful day. It's been raining a little bit earlier, but now look, just awesome. Picked up all the garbage, put it back here out of the way. Trim some trees. Yeah. Oh, what are you doing? What are you?
Charcoal.
It's getting charcoal going there. So she's gonna cook me some sisig for later.
Yeah.
Alright.
Sisig.
Say hello, YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
What are you cooking?
A pork chop barbecue.
Okay, so let's go in here and talk about what you're cooking in here too.
Yeah.
Come on. Oh, there's my sister. Okay. What are you cooking?
Roast beef.
Roast beef. What about this?
Later, the kare-kare.
This one's curry.
Menudo.
Menudo. Menudo, curry. We got the shrimp. Everything. See, here we go. You know we're gonna have a good time now. But it's early in the morning and we haven't. Here. Plenty of meats. Plenty of vegetable. Everything. More marinated meat. We got the rice cooker going, of course. We got enough space to put everything. And in that messed up table. But in the cooler, beer, Cokes, and beer, my Camel. And then the refrigerator, we got nothing yet. Some things, but not much. And then up here, I think she made some fruit salad and put them in cups. Yep. It's all fruit salad right there. Cups of coconut and all kind of fruits and carnation milk. Put it in there and let it freeze. And it'll be good for tomorrow. So we're gonna catch up later when there's more people here and let you see them. See ya then. Still cooking. It's still cooking? Huh? Carry. Here's my mother-in-law. Hey, Mom. YouTube.
Hello.
Hello, YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
Hello. Hi. Hi, YouTube.
Okay, guys, look.
Hi.
Look at all this food.
Yeah.
Look at all this food. Yum, 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 yum. Hello, YouTube.
Oh.
What you cooking? What are you cooking?
Sisig.
Yeah? All right. Look here, we're cooking some sisig. Sisig. It's a popping and a cracking. Get out here. Yeah. It looks good. It's a lot.
Yeah.
So guys, we're gonna have some sisig here. It'll be good. It'll be really good. And I walk about here. I want to show you some guys thing. So if you ever go down the road and you see banners like this, see those banners? That means that place, wherever you're at, is having, you see the flags? Is having their fiesta. And that's what these banners are for, fiesta. Sure enough. So this is Santa Lucia and Santa Ana. And we will have a big fiesta today. Just a couple more of the families arrived, but it's still early. It's only like 10 in the morning. But I thought I'd run out here and show you a little bit more of the fiesta banners. As you can see them down through there. They go all the way out the road. So if you ever turn down a road in the Philippines and you see banners like that out there, you will know that they're either having a fiesta or just had a fiesta. And that's their colors for here. They have different colors for different barangay. Those are all the colors they use here. Nice, huh? Okay, we'll get more as the day goes on. Now the party has begun. Joe, everybody's here now. Food. We cooking?
Oh, chicken. Fried chicken, Daddy.
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken.
So the party has begun.
Yeah.
Fiesta, fiesta. Happy fiesta. Happy fiesta. Happy fiesta.
Happy fiesta.
Yeah. All the nephews and brothers, sisters, everybody's here. We got plenty of food and plenty to eat and plenty to watch TV and everything. Come here. Say happy fiesta. Come on. Come on. Anyway, that's my little nephew. He's a peach. I hope y'all enjoyed this little happy fiesta, brother.
Happy Fiesta!
Okay, say bye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube!